this area is marina area. Many high-class shopping mall and high-class hotel this area. Because today is Chinese New Year, the second day of Chinese New Year, so 50% people is Chinese, so 50% area, 50% office building is in holiday, so very few people outside. There is Dongdong Donkey, Japanese discount supermarket. It's in Sunset City. Second floor. It's we call it Don Quixote in Japan, but here the name is Dongdong Donkey. Dong dong dong, donkey, dong dong, donkey. You know, if I talking, when I running, I feel very not tired, you know. Okay, everyone. I will show you a very big waterfall in the metro city here. The local people always visit the spot, and the local people think this sport can make people happiness and health. Santec City. Okay, very big waterfall. Okay, I will pray for everyone, pray for you every morning for the living thing in my life, and pray for you, for everyone here, because no jinja, no old temple here, so but the big waterfall is have same power, same energy as Jinja and old temple, because moving water can take off the bad energy of your 100 trillion stomach insistence bacteria, 100 trillion bacteria in your body. The moving water can take off the bad energy of your bacteria. I will can make your bacteria, and we also can say that the moving water can make your 100 trillion bacteria power level up, can make power up your bacteria. I will pray there, and the moving water can make my bacteria power up, and can let me can make can give the power to every living thing. I know every living thing in my life. I will give the power, give the good karma, give the good power to every living thing in my life, to every living thing I know. Also you. Okay, see you later. Very good moving water, very big energy I can feel. I can feel very good energy, very big, because this here, everywhere moving water, everywhere waterfall. So that's why it's a powerful city, it's a energy city, it has a lot of good energy, even though it's no history, this area, even though it's no old temple, no old jinja, no old shrine, this area, but everywhere moving water, because the Fuzi, the Chinese people here very, very believe in Fuzi. So the most important thing in Fuzi is moving water, is a waterfall. many beautiful birds, many beautiful birds. And many vegetarian people here. So because many high class Chinese people is vegetarian. That's about another important reason this city is very happiness and safety and high class city. Beautiful world. I just been to a runway. But now I'm running on the right way. It's okay. The wrong way make you stronger sometimes. So please take off your any emotion and but if you are any living thing, human or animal, if you do not do vegetarian food, if you're not a vegetarian, you cannot take off your emotion. Okay? So vegetarian, vegan is necessary for every living thing. If you have any emotion, you will not be happy. You will not be happiness. But sometimes you're happy but the pain but the fact will hurt you very terrible, always hurt you. The happy time is more than happy time if you eat meat or fish, if you eat living thing, you know. Okay, see you.